friends, namaste, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, hi, my name is Maya and I'll be really happy if you take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I haven't posted any videos for more than 2 months and I am finally back!
Say what?
I would like to say sorry for being inactive and thank you so much for your patience. Also, I will try to post videos every week. So, in this video, we will be testing 2 of the TikTok life-changing hacks, which I don't know how it will turn out. So, without talking too much, let's get started. So for the first hack, we will need a t-shirt. I'll be using this, and thank you so much Sanjoguni for this gift. And this kind of, I have really cute, these are really cute iron-on patches stickers, and the last thing is an iron. Let's see whether this will work or not. Ice cream. No, it's cupcake. 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 Okay. This is ice cream.
2 hours later.
So I finally decided which patch on iron stickers I want to put and which side, and my iron is heating. Let's see. I'm nervous. Sanjog will kill me if this turns out really bad. I'm sorry. I'd like to say sorry. Okay.
So you just need to put the patch wherever you want to, and then just iron it. Oh my god, is it working? Oh, God. Do you see that? Okay, not bad. I'm just saying. Oh my god.
Oh my god. It worked. Oh my god, look how cute is this. Wow. So for the second hack, we will need a dress, a sweater and a belt. We'll be creating a crop top sweater without cutting or anything. Let's try how this will work. So I already have my dress on. I'll be wearing this sweater.
Let's see. So once you fit your belt, you just need to pull the sweater out. See? Okay. Okay, this will work. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I really like this. This is really cool. So, these two were the hacks that I feel was really easy and really cool to do. If you tried any of these hacks, please do tag me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is manya.upraty. I will see you guys next week. Until then, stay safe and souring love. Bye!